Well, I figured this video I'd film while I'm waiting. Well, I'm broken. I'm at a library because I came to check something and came out. I was only off the bike for 30 seconds maybe, and it was dead. The batteries, I have 2 batteries in this thing and they were dead. And the only thing I can contribute it to is my front headlights. So I was running the high beam and the low beam on, and apparently that's too much for the bike to handle, even with 2 batteries. I guess I need to either upgrade the stator to a higher amp or something, but it's dead, so I'm waiting for a jump start. Fun stuff, always something to learn.